I wanna be the very best that no one ever was.
Ano to? Sasagot si Janine.
Ay! Putang inang yan. Gusto ko. Guys, tara na! It's already 3.
Tara na, may dog show na.
Tara, saan yun?
Yung sa kanina, yung show.
Saan yun? Talabas.
Doon ulit.
Uy, tingin kayo dito. Screenshot na lang. Ay, bawal mo picture.
Ay!
Pag sinuntok kita dyan. So, we're here at Zuri Tagaytay. Here.
Well, yung Reyna, dito ako sa Digi magkukurap.
Ay,
Ay, Digi ka
gusto ko yung pangpalit sa ano lang, sa DP ko lang. Okay.
Ay, ito.
Thanks, manager.
Ako ang nanay. Mukhang ako nanay ni Ana kanina. Pinag-post niya. Ate ko. Pinag ko yung bag-bag. Sabi ko,
Literal na inaalagaan pala. So, saan yun? Gusto ko sa may ahas. Balik tayo sa may
Mga
ahas.
pearl, oh.
Hindi nakakatakot yung ahas.
Saan? Ewan ko kaya.
So, hi guys.
Bango.
Back to our duty. I'm a vlogger now. So, gusto niyo ba makilala yung best friend ko? It's here. It's so long, it's so taba. Ahas ba? Ahas.
Ay, hindi ba?
Pero,
Napektuhan.
you're one of my best friend. Jerome A. Dalde. He's the one. So, kapag ikakasal ako, number 1 ka na sa
Ano, invited,
Yes,
invited.
invited na agad
Hindi pwedeng
siya.
walang upuan.
Aabay na siya.
Dito tayo dito.
So, babalik na kami kasi may dog show daw.
May dog
Ano
show.
oras yung show mo?
Ay! Ay, ano?
Ito na. Tara na, Kiara. Tara na, madam.
let's go, daughter.
Let's go, guys.
I'm with my daughter, guys.
Your. So,
Ito yung
dito ba yung ano? So, gusto ko na San Miguel Light. Nag-inom. Hello po.
Ay! Oh.
Bobo naman ng artista ko. Ganda ng view dito ah.
Ay, sa kanila pala yun.
Oo nga. Wala po pala dito. Dun sa kabila. Oh, thank you po.
Thank you po.
Tara na. Magsisimula na yung phone. Let's go guys. Gang gang. So, we're going on a trip sa Kaiser Rocket Ship. Lilipad na little Einstein.
Kalikasan. Show na po.
Punta na kami sa
Hawak si Ana. Hawak si Ana ituro natin.
pupunta na kami sa Jerome Show. Ayan na. Narito kami sa mga animal. So, let's go.
Hello guys, let's give a round of applause for Leo Balapiano and of course our first great volunteer.
It started
You like it,
na.
Ate? You like it? Thank you so much. Great volunteer. Yes, Ate. Tayo. Hi. And then face the audience. Hi, Ate. Happy afternoon. What is your name?
Ana po.
Ate Ana, how old are you?
20.
20. Do you like animals?
Yes po.
How about insect? Do you like insect?
Oh yes, I do.
Let's see. Now, Ate, to meet our next brand, all you have to do is just to bring out one of your hands just like this. That's right, and keep that steady. Now again, I just want to remind you that whatever the animals or insect we put in your hands, please do not drop it. Okay? Yes po. Now, ate, are you ready?
Yes, boss.
Yes po. So if you're ready now all the way from Madagascar, or to Madagascar, here's a cockroaches. And now these are the large wingless species of cockroaches, and they can reach up to 2 to 4 inches in length. And they said that these cockroaches can scale through the glass, and even in a chemical or nuclear outbreak, they are the only one who might survive. Now folks, imagine all those pesticides we used at home. And now guys, let's give a round of applause for our 2 Madagascar hissing cockroaches. And of course, to our brave volunteer. Thank you so much, and have some sanitize before you go. Thank you so much. You can go back to your seat now. And now, guys, down to our next animal friend. Can I have my next brave volunteer? But guys, this time, mukhang napilitan si ma'am. Dito po tayo. That's right. Parang kinakabahan ka, ma'am. Kinakabahan ka ba? Now, ma'am, happy afternoon. Dito ka sa gitna. Happy afternoon and welcome to Tagaytay Residency. Now, ma'am, what is your name? Ma'am Reyna. Tagasal po si Ma'am Reyna.
May nubali po.
Nobali. Nice to meet you, ma'am, and welcome to Tagaytay Residency. And ma'am, ano pong kinakatakutan yung animals or insect? Nakaka-request ka naman eh. Ay, hindi, joke lang, joke lang. Now, ma'am, to meet your next animal friend, all you have to do is just to bring out your right hand just like this. Lower natin ng konti, that's right. And keep that steady now. Again, I just want to remind you that whatever the animals or insect we put in your hands, please do not drop it. Mag-promise ka muna, wag mong ilalaglag. Mag-promise ka. Yeah. Now, ma'am, are you ready? But I need a yes answer. Wala na magbaback out. Pwede kang tumili, pwede kang umiyak. Bawal na mag-back out, okay? Now, ma'am, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. So if you're ready now all the way from Mexico, Scrappy. And now Scrappy here is one of the largest spider in the world, also known as the tarantula. But with those speechless fangs, tarantulas rarely bite people. But they often flick their hair as a defense mechanism, and they can live up to 25 years of age. And now guys, let's give a round of applause for Scrappy the Tarantula, and of course, to our great volunteer. Thank you so much, ma'am. Oh, ano? Thank you so much. And now guys, moving on down to our next animal friend. Great volunteer. Volunteer, please side. And now, Captain, here is a bearded dragon. They got their name because of their spiky pouch, which pops up on their lower jaw, which resembles as their beard. Ladies and gentlemen, bearded